COVID-19 spread. COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The virus that caused COVID-19 is in a family of viruses called coronaviridae. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. Some people who become ill with COVID-19 can also develop a bacterial infection as a complication. In this case, antibiotics may be recommended by a healthcare provider. There is currently no licensed medication to cure COVID-19. If you have symptoms, call your healthcare provider or COVID-19 hotline for assistance. Researchers believe that SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing COVID-19, jumped from bats and potentially a second mammal to humans. Note: the virus causing COVID-19 was not invented in a lab. Most people who get COVID-19 have mild or moderate symptoms and can recover thanks to supportive care. If you have a cough, fever, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. Call your health facility by telephone first. If you have and live in an area with malaria or dengue, seek medical care immediately. The new coronavirus 2019 novel coronavirus is a virus and therefore antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. However, if you are hospitalized for the 2019 novel coronavirus, you may receive antibiotics since bacterial co-infection is possible. While several drug trials are going on, there is no proof that hydroxychloroquine or any other drug can cure or prevent COVID-19. The misuse of hydroxychloroquine can cause serious side effects and illness and even lead to death. Facts you may don't know about There is no reason to believe that cold weather can kill the new coronavirus and other diseases. The normal human body temperature remains about 36.5 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius, regardless of the external temperature or weather. The most effective way to protect yourself against the new coronavirus is by frequently cleaning your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or washing them with soap and water. Regardless of climate, adopt protective measures if you live in or travel to an area reporting COVID-19. The best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is by frequently cleaning your hands. Eliminate viruses that may be on your eyes, mouth, and nose. Fact: the new coronavirus can be transmitted in areas with hot and humid climates also. You can catch COVID-19 no matter how sunny or hot the weather is. Countries with hot weather have reported cases of COVID-19. To protect yourself, make sure you clean your hands frequently and thoroughly and avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose. The prolonged use of medical masks can be uncomfortable. However, it does not lead to CO2 intoxication nor oxygen deficiency. While wearing a mask, make sure it fits properly and that is tight enough to allow you to breathe normally. Do not reuse a disposable mask and always change it as soon as it gets damp. Viruses cannot travel on radio waves or mobile networks. COVID-19 is spread through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or speaks. People can also be infected by touching a contaminated surface and their eyes, mouth, or nose. As some people worry that viruses can also travel through radio waves and mobile networks, so there is nothing to worry about it. Precautions. Some of the precautions are: Wash hands with soap and water after touching animals and animal products and after touching anything. After touching eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid contact with sick animals and spoiled meat. Avoid contact with stray animals, waste and fluids in market. Stop the spread of COVID-19. Stay home as advised. Wear a face mask if you go out. Practice social distancing. If you need medical care, be sure to call first. Practice good personal health habits. Avoid touching your face. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Clean frequently touched surfaces and objects daily. So, dear friends, please stop the spread of COVID-19 and let us fight against this disease and stay